Hello, good afternoon. This is John of Art. Has it ever occurred to you that there are days when you're just too lazy? Well, for me, it's days like this today. So why not talk about today and what it feels like today? So there are boring days and lazy days. Boring, katalaka means boring. So there are days when it's just katalaka, and you say it also in a boring tone. Lazy, on the other hand, is called tamad or tamad. I think tamad is the Tagalog pronunciation, while tamad is an adjective and is an Ilonggo word. Tamad is Tagalog and tamad is Ilonggo. So it's just a matter of pronouncing. Why I pronounce in two ways? Because our national language is Tagalog while our local dialect is Ilonggo. So just in the Philippines alone, I speak not just two languages but three. Our national language, which is Tagalog, and my mother tongue, which is Ilonggo, and also Cebuano, which is my father's mother tongue. I do believe that our language still needs a lot of words, thanks to the millennials who are constantly coining new words. And in fact, the word katalaka has now evolved into just talaka. I won't be surprised if a few decades from now it becomes just laka and then ka. So funny is katalawaan or kakaladlawan, but now it's become katalawaan. But tawa, Tagalog, which means laughter or funny, has been integrated into the Ilonggo dialect, so it's become katalawaan, and it's not Tagalog, it's Ilonggo now. So there are also imported words from other dialects. So again, I speak Tagalog. I learned that from school. I speak Ilonggo. I learned it since birth. And contrary to what other people may believe, Ilonggo is never taught in school. I don't know for now because there's a mother tongue program in the public schools. But since my generation and even a few years after that, it's never taught in the schools. We just learned it by ourselves. That's why there are variations in the way we speak, in the way it's pronounced, even the way it's spelled. I also speak Cebuano, which is my father's native tongue. I've lived in Cebu for 2 years, and during my grade school years. And actually, it's the best age to learn any language. I don't know why it is so difficult to learn another language when you're way older. So I think it's better to start young or to think like a child, think like a kid. It's easier to learn a language that way. So with this boring day, I hope I've discussed something very helpful. Makabulig, makabulig, helpful to you. And I hope this video has been mabinuligon, helpful also. Just like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Art and leaving you lots of love. Until our next video, see you again. Bye-bye.